What's going on, guys? It is G-Dog here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be redoing one of my most popular videos on YouTube, on my channel, and that is making a Wonka bar. So, I'm just going to keep these, I don't know, should I keep them on display near my knee? No. But, showing these real quick, these are just cardboard bars, like, really. They have no point. I don't know why I made them. It was part of an art project. I'll open them, actually. Slide this off. Open up the bar. And golden ticket. Really. It's just a cardboard piece. And then we got this one, which this one's the remake one. Golden ticket number 2. Anyway, here we're actually going to make a real one. Now, you'll need a Hershey's 1.55 ounce bar. Again, this one we're actually going to use a printed golden ticket. If the camera would, yeah, Wonka's golden ticket. This is an actual one from the movie, printed. You'll need some double-sided tape, scissors, piece of aluminum foil, and any size Wonka bar wrapper, like for a 1.55 ounce bar. Yeah, this one has a bunch of tape on it because it's fallen apart and ripped in a bunch of places. I've had it for like 3 years. Anyway, let's get started. So first, as always, you're gonna want to make sure that these sides are even with each other. So, sorry for the reflections. I have my fan on, by the way. So if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. You gotta be very careful with cutting this, and you know, I hope this gets a ton of views. My last one wasn't even HD quality, and it got like 800 views. My dog is barking, sorry for that. Anyway, oh god, okay, this one didn't cut so evenly, but. And this one's not going to be in HD, I mean, it is going to be in HD quality, but maybe not 60 frames. Do you think maybe I can work it like this? No. So, got the bar set up. I'm going to fold the uneven side on the inside, because I don't want my bar to look, like, bad. You know? Alright. Okay with this. Now, I have a question. Question of the day. And that question is, which Willy Wonka movie do you like the most? The remake or the original? Now, my opinion is kind of controversial. I hate to use the word controversial, but that's what it is. So, I personally like the remake a little bit more than the original, because I feel like the remake is more of a kid's film, because the original had, like, chickens getting their head chopped off in that entire tunnel scene, and you don't know if the kids survive or not, but still. Anyway, I like the remake better than the original, but Gene Wilder is a much better Wonka than Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp has not a good haircut. What was with the haircut they gave him? Seriously. Hell, there's even a scene where he's getting a haircut. Does the Oompa Loompa not know how to give him a haircut? Anyway. Oh, again, this happens again and again and again. I forget the golden ticket. Now, since this one is like oversized, is an oversized printed paper, you're gonna take the bar, you're just gonna wrap it. Wrap it straight closest to any end where you want the person to open it. Now the golden ticket is in there. Now, like I said, you could use tape to keep these edges down to make it easier, but I prefer not to, because then this makes it look like you actually hand wrapped it instead of just using tape to keep it down. Alright. Silver foil can sometimes, or aluminum foil. I remember in my last video I said silver foil, but I meant aluminum foil. Aluminum foil can sometimes be annoying because it bends and it just stays in some places, you know. Okay, so that's the bar wrapped up so far. Like I said, be careful with these. These can break easily. I've had that's been happening to me many times. Now, I don't know which side I wrap the Wonka bar on, but first you're gonna want to take the Wonka bar, or the chocolate bar, Hershey's bar, whatever type of bar you have, and just wrap it around like this. Now it looks like that. So first, what I'm going to do, use some double-sided tape if you have to. There's some extra on here, but lay down some pieces of double-sided tape. And put the bar on, and then seal it down. Make sure to seal it down, like, evenly, so it looks nice. Alright. And that is how you make a Wonka bar. And this is a different wrapper from the last one. If I'm correct, about the can of falling, the wrapper I used last time, it's like a big bubble in my bed. The wrapper I used last time was this. Upside down again. Okay, so if you see the difference, one has a much darker brown, and then this one is a lighter red. And on the back of this side, it has the golden ticket and stuff. This side actually has a picture from the game of the remake game. Makes no sense. But anyway, that's how you make a Wonka bar. Thanks for watching. This is an updated video, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon on my channel so you will be notified whenever a new video comes out, because that's how this thing works. Am I right, ladies? I'm just talking to myself sometimes. Anyway, I will see you guys, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification icon, and become I don't know, become a member of my channel. That's pretty much it. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.